I'm not sure, but if you go in these lines, I can check and reserve it for you.
I'm gonna have to stop.
Wasn't a fan of the orange? Didn't like orange?
That's the camera.
Yeah, it is.
Are you trading your phone as well or not?
No. I always sell them on eBay.
Oh, yeah.
Get so much more.
I usually do a place called Declutter, but they went out of business.
Really?
Yeah.
I just go straight to eBay.
eBay? Okay, yeah.
Like right now, this is 16 Pro Max.
Yeah.
1 terabyte.
Yeah.
It's unlocked. It's going for like 11, 12
Oh, wow. Okay.
As soon as I get home, transfer, I'll get a sale within 2 hours.
That's it. Yeah.
I'll do it with everything.
You had the Cosmic Orange, right?
Yes, the one tera. Yeah. That was a good excuse for me to buy the new one this time. I needed more space. All right, thank you, brother.
So I know
Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna unbox the iPhone 17 Pro Max. I actually haven't been excited about an iPhone like this in a while. Maybe because it looked different. You know, with Apple is very, very rare that you have a big increase or the phone being different in any way. So I'm very happy. Just picked it up. Let's unbox it, see what we got. All right, here we go. The orange cable. Put you inside. All right, the orange. Here we go. I picked this color because it was different and it was brand new. Never had. I like to pick whatever color that's out of the ordinary for that particular model. So I picked this guy. I prefer black or space gray, but like I said, when it comes to these, the model changed so much. I picked the special color. Let's take a look at it. The camera part is very different compared to my other iPhone. And cut it on. Actually, what I did was I backed up this phone this morning and I have a backup on my computer that I'm going to transfer right over. On the screen, it tells me to restore from backup, and it has it that I made a backup this morning at 8:29, which was perfectly correct. I'm gonna hit continue. Give me some words that I have to read. Who got time for that? Tell me you put the password in for my backup. Jesus Christ. While it's doing the recovery, let's look at some of the stuff that I bought for it. All right. But I bought some screen protectors, which is these guys right here. I like to have screen protectors on deck. Got 2 different ones. I never keep my phone without any type of screen protector on it. And I got 2 different type of cases. Yeah, they both look like it came in the same box. Jesus, is it the same case? No, different numbers. It has a different part number. All right, let's see how it looks. See which one I'm gonna go with first. All right, this is one case. All right, got a little kickstand, I think. I remember this one. Oh, there we go, okay. That's why I got it. I got it because of this reason. I always like to keep some type of case on it because if I drop my phone, I have some type of protection. Okay, this is one type of case. Look at the other one. This guy, this has a little ring on it. Okay. All right. So, okay. All right. Okay. Got a little button here. Okay. This looks like I have a little bit more protection. I think I'm gonna rock with this one first. Then I have this as the backup. Always have a backup case. Sometimes I get tired of the case. Try this one. All right. Screen protector, same thing. It really doesn't matter which screen protector I pick. I just buy 2 separate ones. This is ultra slim. I think I'm gonna go with, let's see how many come in this box. This comes with 3 and this comes with, doesn't say, oh 2. This is a 3-pack and a 2-pack. I'm gonna go with 3-pack first. Keep the other one on the side. So when I do need a screen protector, I'd rather replace the cracked screen protector than replacing a cracked screen. Okay. Oh, what the heck? Oh, I never use the glass covers. Guess I could, but I'm not planning on it to. Okay. Put you on the side. Put you on the side. Let's see. Oh, I can't do it now because I'm restoring the phone. You got it. This is in the way, so I gotta wait. All right, I'll do that after the phone restores. It says it's gonna take about an hour. All right, it said it is done and it's going to restart in 1 second. Let's see how this works out. All right, the Apple logo is there. All right, it is up. All right, there you go. It says hello on it. I got my wallpaper ready. It says it's been updated. Okay, I guess it didn't know. All right, Face ID. I'm gonna set this up now. All right, it's signing in to it. Put my Face ID. Unlock the phone, see what happened. I see my other phone cut off already. It just popped on the screen. Shows SOS, so this phone is disconnected. Oh, it's connected to network now. All right, blinked again. All right, here we go. It's officially. All right, so that's done. Now it says my Apple Watch did not come over. So now the phone is activated. That's the most important thing. Now it's going through the setup of bringing over all my apps, everything. I know it's gonna be a pain in the butt putting all my Apple cards back in. At least this is back on. My stocks is on there. My Tesla didn't pop up yet. I'm gonna let this sit around for a little bit. Let this cook. But in the meantime, what I can do as well as I'm waiting for that is check out these cases. All right, which case? I'm going to use this case right here because it seems a little bit more robust, and I like this little thing right there. Put this case to the side, add it to my case box. All right, but before I put this case on, I'm gonna put this screen protector on. So I'm gonna cut off the screen real quick. I love these pliers that is pretty much idiot proof. Just put it on. The hardest part is make sure it's, if it needs to snap in, make sure it snaps in. Make sure it's all the way in. I've been plenty of times it wasn't all the way in. I had problems. It's not as complicated as it used to be. Just hold it down and pull it. All right, there you go. Touch a few over here, touch a few over here, touch a few over here. Let that do its thing. They say about 10 seconds, but I give it a little longer. All right, pull it off. Got this little squeegee. Take out the bubbles. What I notice is if you still see a little bit of bubbles, you try to squeeze as much as you can out to the edges, and whatever left, it usually works its way out. But it looked like this did a good job anyway. I see very minimal bubbles. I remember the old days you had to pretty much wet your hands, and it was like a situation that you had to spray and there's water everywhere, and they'd tell you to cut off the phone and the phone might malfunction. It was all hell breaking loose. But this one is pretty straightforward. But like I said, if you see any little bubbles in there, don't go crazy. It will work itself out. You just try to get the big ones out. Little tiny ones, that's it. Then that's about it. Okay, now let me reload this one, because this is 3 in a pack. Alright, so this is reloaded for the next one. Put this, I'm not gonna use this cover. No way. Ain't messing with that. Put you in here. Alright, let's see how this looks. Alright, oh, put the case on. Okay, I like this case. It's nice and solid. Get to show off a little orange so people know what you're rocking with. All right, so it's now just waiting for everything to download. I'm gonna play with this bad boy for a while because this is gonna be my daily driver. I'm gonna take this phone once I verify everything is off. Everything is on this phone. Probably I got some passwords and stuff I don't remember. Put it on this phone, and then I'm gonna put this phone probably on eBay. I usually used to use a place called Declutter, but they went out of business. They used to work real smooth because I was able to get more dollar amount from an eBay, but then after the eBay fees, Declutter was a better bargain because Declutter will give you a price, and then you just take it, and it would be all whatever fees it might be is already taken care of. So it actually came out more using Declutter than using PayPal. Not PayPal, using eBay. But Declutter went out of business. Maybe that business model wasn't the best because it was like a cheat code when you're selling stuff. All right, everyone. I'm probably gonna make a video in the future with my thoughts of this one after having it for a couple of weeks. But I am waiting for, probably tomorrow I'm going to pick up the new watch, the Apple Watch Ultra 3. This is the Apple Watch Ultra, the original one, the first one. And I also ordered the AirPods 3. The main reason I ordered it, because it's waterproof. And I'm a fitness guy. If you see my videos, my other videos, I put my fitness videos up. Yeah, I do a lot of running and stuff like that. And the waterproof sweat, well, they all was sweat proof, but this one is actually waterproof. So I think I'm that actually gave me a good excuse to buy it. All right, everyone. See you on the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and all the other good stuff. Peace.